lovely people, this is Vandita and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about me making my channel intro. Initially I wanted it to be a typographic intro, but I ended up watching Sejal Kumar's old videos and Hailey Wade's new videos, and they have stop motion intros, which is pretty intriguing, and I really wanted to attempt doing it because it's quarantine and I thought let's just make the most of today because I'm really bored. So I'm not really sure how the actual intro is going to turn out. I really hope it's going to be fine because I'm filming this intro even before starting it, and I'm going to take help of a lot of YouTube videos. I have to figure out what frame I want, how I want my stop motion to be, how to edit it, and what music do I want for it. So it's a huge task. I don't know how long this is going to take, but I'm taking you guys along with me for this in this journey. So if you are interested in a video like this, then don't forget to watch till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon so you're notified every time I upload videos. And my genre is basically lifestyle, fashion, beauty, vlogs, travel, a little bit of everything in fact. Anyways, this has been a very long intro, so without any further blabbering, let's just get started. Literally after 25 to 30 minutes of searching, I finally finalized one music. This is the Troy Boys Amadeus. Something about this music just gets me, and I think it's going to be perfect for stop motion. So it's very important to actually plan out your music, because if you have your music sorted, then you can plan your video way easier. You can add in a lot of effects and transitions according to the drops, and it's going to make your video quality and your editing much better. So this is what I have learned. So I've invested a good amount of time in my music, and now I'm gonna sit and plan. I have some white sheet. I'm gonna sit and plan my entire video on that first. At least write down the scenes and write down what I want, and then it becomes even easier to actually just film it. And editing process is gonna be hard, but before anything, let's just start planning the video. So once the planning is done, I will show you what I've done. This was the one previously. I just had my name and subscribe and this thing with a YouTube background, but then I realized it's important to show what your channel genre is all about, and probably like the intro, which makes more sense. So I came up with this. So instead of, let me show you. So instead of these bubbles, I'm gonna use arrows like this. And then my channel is all about motivation, lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, vlogs, challenges and everything. So I need 7 arrows. So I'm gonna put them first, then I'm gonna put my name saying it, my channel compromises of all of this. And then I'm gonna have the YouTube subscribe button, then I'm gonna have the bell icon, and I'm gonna put the flares. So yeah, it makes a good video, I guess. I'm not really sure. It goes well with the beat, so this is what I'm planning to do. So I'm done with this. This is my name, my genre, arrow marks, subscribe, and the bell icon. So right now I'm going to try and use my floor for the background because it looks pretty good, and I don't want to do it on white sheet because it's very tiny. So I thought I will adjust the frame according to how much I want of it. So let's see how that goes. I've got my light and my tripod, but most probably I'm going to be clicking pictures with my hand and not use a tripod for it because I'm not able to bend the tripod any further. So that's a sad part, but anyways, I'll set this up and show you. So this is what my frame is like. I'm pretty happy with the pictures. I will show you the pictures. Wait. Yeah. So these are like the pictures. I'm pretty happy with how the pictures have turned out to be. I've kept the, I kept this line and this line as the reference line. And that's how I was able to constantly hold the frame in place, because my tripod isn't compatible to face down. Somebody had to hold the tripod constantly like that, which is not technically possible. So I took my brother's help as well. I am done shooting it, so I have to put it on the laptop, transfer the data to the laptop, and then try editing it now. That is going to be a bigger task. So the editing software that I'm planning to use is iMovies on my Mac. Let's go. So guys, I've done like actual just basic editing. I've just used the song, I've inserted the clips, I've kept I think 0.3 seconds per picture, and yeah, here I've added the subscribe or the click, mouse click, and here is the bell. So that's the thing. I'm going to roll the final intro in 3, 2, 1. So that was my intro, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it. It took a lot of time for me to make it and edit it. You could see the process. So if you liked it, then hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. It's okay, just engage yourself. And if you have made it up till here, then hit the subscribe button and also the tiny bell icon next to it, so you are notified every time I upload a video. And my upload schedule is on Monday at 12 p.m. With that being said, I know the previous frame and this frame is very different, but yeah, this is gonna be my new YouTube setup, and I'm very excited and happy about this because I've invested in lights and all of this. So I'm just excited to see how my videos are gonna go from now. And also I'm filming a Nykaa haul, so that is gonna be my next video on my channel. Stay tuned for it, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Please follow me on my social media. I'm going to be linking everything down in the description box and try putting it on the screen. So don't forget to follow me there because I'm way too active there. Anyways, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. So until then, stay home, stay safe, be happy, make others happy, and do everything in the name of love. Bye-bye.